Mining, ports, metals, manufacturing are electrifying because it's cheaper, it's more resilient, and it's cleaner to electrify rather than using fossil fuels. The most dramatic change I see in the electrification and energy business together is the shift from molecules to electrons. Right now, only 21% of final energy demand is electrified. We see that electrification is the single biggest resilience lever. Resilient energy system has 3 steps: consumption, generation, and then its grids. We believe that modernizing the grid is the only way to double energy capacity without ripping and replacing the complete grid. So resilience is not only about adding sources, it's also about fixing the complete system. The current geopolitical situation significantly shapes our energy transition opportunities. And this is where we see local generation beats imports of energy. Infrastructure resilience is much better than being subject to any supply choke points. So energy strategy is no longer about finding just the optimal path. It's also about building optionality in case any disruption happens. How can we double energy capacity by 2050 without building a second grid? No taxpayer would afford it. And this is where Electrification Service and ABB as a group plays significant role. What we do is we help the grid to modernize instead of replacing everything. And we provide this as a trusted advisor to our partners in utilities and in the manufacturing side.